it's getting boring watching the eggs. Like, we do this every single day. Want to do something else instead of watching the eggs? Well, just go somewhere else. That'll make you feel better. But I can't do anything else. You won't let me. Alright, I don't. I'm very strict.
Oh, Redbird, you need to stop being strict for once. Just let the others have fun. Well, you just watch the eggs all by yourself.
No, I need the whole team to watch the eggs with me in case if the pigs have like backup or anything. Backup pigs. What's the difference? Like, we know the pigs always have some kind of backup, but I just want to go to bed. It's not even nighttime. Oh, I want to take a nap. Oh, sorry, Mom. It's okay. Besides, I wonder what the pigs are up to. Because I just don't want to look at the eggs the entire day like last time. But wait, that was the last time. That was like 5 years ago?
Come on, Red. Make us do something fun for once.
No.
What you just said didn't even make any sense.
What's with the sudden voice changes all of a sudden?
I don't know.
Anyways, what are those pigs up to? I'm very curious.
Today's another boring day at the castle. Just sitting here without any entertainment. Being the king sucks.
No, it's not, sir. Being a king is really good. You can have the total control of the land, and you can do whatever you want.
But I want to eat eggs.
Well, maybe not that.
What?
I said maybe we can eat the eggs, but we need to find a way how. Rick, we need a strategy, sir.
What kind of strategy?
I don't know.
Can I borrow this real quick?
Hey! What is with Foreman today?
I don't know. He's been all over the place. Maybe you can check on him for me.
Yeah, I guess, sire. Okay, let's see what that Foreman is up to.
Okay, I'm back. Okay, so there's a little bit
Hey, look at that. I did it. I built the perfect robot. Foreman, what do you think you're doing? Oh, hi, Helmet. Oh, why do we keep on falling from the stupid bed? Anyways, very nice, huh? What is that?
Oh, nothing. It's just a new machine we can use to steal the bird's eggs. But it's a bird. That's the catch. We use a bird-like bird, but disguised as a robot, and we can get the eggs with this guy. What you gonna call him? Oh, I don't know. I'll call him Anti-Bird.
well, but will that name be a little bit too obvious for the birds?
Maybe, but they won't be that smart.
Yeah, they won't be that smart. Let's just say that they're not very smart. Anyways, we power the guy on.
Hello, I'm Anti-Bird. Oh, well, look at that. I recognized your name immediately. What can I do for you, master?
Well, I want you to steal the bird's eggs.
Searching for stealing bird's eggs. Found one command. Do you want to run it?
Yes.
Okay. Going to steal the bird's eggs.
Well, Foreman, your engineering skills are getting way more better throughout the years. Thank you for the compliment.
Now let's go tell King Pig about my greatest Invention. Wait for me! King, king, king! Oh!
No, my tissue! No, my tissue's not. Okay, now my tissue's in place. Foreman, why do you interrupt me like this? And where have you been?
He made the coolest thing ever imaginable. Yeah, I made a robot bird.
A robot bird, eh? Can it steal the eggs?
Yep, I specifically programmed it to steal the bird's eggs.
Oh, goody. When will we get the bird's eggs?
Like, 1 hour or 2.
An hour? I can wait an hour.
But he is pretty fast. But if those birds are dummy dum-dums today, maybe we can get away with it a lot quicker.
Ooh, this is magnificent. I love it. Stewing the bird's eggs, 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 stewing the bird's eggs. Oh yeah, there's some birds in there. Let me knock, like, politely.
Huh? Who could be knocking at this time of hour? I'll go get it. Little help here, please? Oh, thank you. Huh? Hello? Oh. How? Who the heck is that?
I'm anti-bird. Hello, birds. I like to take a look at the pretty, pretty eggies.
Oh! No, you cannot look at your eggs. Not your eggs, they're mine. And no one is allowed to touch them. Unless they're the owners. But I'm not the owners, I'm just guarding the eggs because of a tragedy.
Oh, okay. Could I at least take a peek at it?
No!
Yummy eggs.
What? Did you say yummy?
No, I didn't say yummy. I said, ooh, what a nice eggs. What nice eggs they are. Nice children.
Yeah, that's more like it, buddy.
Okay, so if you're really a bird, why do you have wings and feet?
I'm a bird from, like, the north. Yeah, the north. Like the Antarctica, or whatever you call it. If you want to know my name, it's Anti-Bird. I'm anti-bird, 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 I'm anti-bird.
I can already tell he's going to be obnoxious.
You think?
Okay. Well, Anti-Bird, I guess, welcome to the group, I guess.
Yay!
Ow! Okay, this is getting ridiculous. Really ridiculous indeed. Let's hope he doesn't come back.
I'm anti-bird, I'm anti-bird.
Get out!
Why?
Because you're getting really annoying!
Oh, gee, I'm just a health inspector. I'm just making sure if they have these eggs are perfectly well.
Ah!
I can't touch the eggs still, can't I? Nope. You can't touch any of these eggs. They're ours. Nobody can touch our property. Not even you. Push, you have to get through training first. Training? I didn't sign up for training. I asked to be in a flock.
Are you gonna go trading or what? Matilda?
Come on, you gotta get some training done.
I don't want any training. Ooh, training. Come on, Bluebird. Okay. You sure I want to go training? No. I'll sit here and guard the eggs.
Okay, whatever you say, Red.
Something tells me that there's something wrong with that new buddy. But I can't get my eyes right. It'll probably come to me later. Welcome to the training grounds, buddy.
This is a training grounds? This is outside.
I know. That's why we call it the training grounds.
Really pointless, decision, but okay, kinda like it.
So, who's gonna train him first? I will. Okay, so you want to be a part of the flock, eh? Oh, can I do this? Blah!
Oh, I can do that. Let me try again. Ooh.
Okay, I guess you have to test with me now, yes. Okay, so here's my test. So you want to be a part of flock? I bet you do. Can you split up into the three?
What?
Yeah, can you do it?
Yeah, I could definitely not do that. Who wants to test me next?
I will. Come on over here, sweetie.
I'm not your sweet.
Okay, so your next test is to get this stick up in the fireplace.
Oh, this'll be easy. Gosh dang it. This sucks.
No.
Right.
Never mind. Chuck, can I test him next?
Oh yeah, sure. Okay, so your next challenge is try to knock me down from this big old tree.
Okay, here we go. Yep. Ow.
Don't worry, you still have 2 tries left.
Okay. Ooh.
1 try left, Buster. You better not mess it up, or else you won't get those tasty, delicious eggs.
Ow.
You're too idiot. What the?
Okay, Buster. This is your final test. If you don't pass this test, you'll never become one of us. You guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. No way. You didn't die. I guess not. Bunny, you passed the test. You're officially now one of us.
Yay! Oh God, no. Meanwhile, with the pigs, things has been rather quiet. Boss, what are we waiting for?
We're just waiting for our anti-bird to get the eggs.
Man, it's been 2 hours. 2 hours since he's left, and still no sign of the birds.
I don't know. Maybe it takes a very long time to get into the birds to trust them.
Yeah, you might be right.
But I want the eggs now. I don't want to stay hungry forever.
You know what this calls for?
a remote control. Hey, Minion Pig.
Yes?
Could you give me that remote control for my office?
Yeah, sure. Oh. Hey, King, can I have some cigarettes?
No.
Oh, fiddlesticks. I came all this way just to ask him if I can have some cigarettes. He said no. What a truly terrible king he is.
Yeah, sure. Look, you're gonna get it some any day.
Mustachio, I got the remote control.
Wonderful. Okay, so where's the button to... here it is.
Beep.
Now I can control the anti-bird. And now I can speak into his mind. Remember, get the eggs. Wherever you are right now, wait. And when it's the right moment, get the eggs.
Beep.
Now the message has been received.
Will you get the message?
I hope so. Alright, I could still get the eggs.
Anti-bird.
I'm anti-bird, 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 I'm anti-bird. What the heck's going on?
Anti-bird. Well, why is there smoke coming out of him? Oh! I knew it. That was one of King Pig's dirty tricks. I knew it. I knew that anti-bird was no good. He tried to steal the eggs. Yeah.
You know what fish means. If he's a robot, we must destroy it.
You don't mean?
Yes, we are going to torture him.
Ooh, torture. When does it begin?
Right now.
What are you doing?
We're holding you captive. We know what you're doing.
So you're finally awake. You know who you are. You are one of King Pig's servants.
No. I'm good. I promise. I'm good.
Yeah, and why we were trying to get the eggs last night.
I was gonna take him for health inspection.
Well, that won't work now. Matilda, you got the torture device.
No. No, dude.
Okay. Anti-bird, say hello to Snippy.
No, I am a bat. No.
No more suffering.
No more craziness. And no more anti-bird.
Let's just hope he just doesn't give up. Get up.
Huh?
I'm
Hi. How you still alive? Does anyone speak like nonsense? I speak nonsense. He says, he's free from the pig's control, and now he's his own person. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And he says he wants to owe us a favor, like trying to get the pigs from trying to get the eggs. He says he's got a plan. Huh. He says to stuff a bomb inside him and fling him to King Pig's castle. But Anti-Bird, what about you? What are you going to do? Oh, I see. What? He doesn't want to cause any chaos again. So, I guess he just wants it to be over with. So he says, can I help you defeat the pigs? I guess. Potato, get the slingshot. Okay, Bomb, you ready?
Okay, I'm in.
Okay. Okay, Anti-Bird. Safe travels.
Hey, the connection was lost. We lost track of Anti-Bird.
So that means we're not gonna get any eggs?
I don't think so.
What do we do now?
Guess we just go on to the starting board.
Hey, let's bat up in the sky.
It's Anti-Bird!
And look, his beak. It's been beaten up. Cut. Oh, Anti-Bird, what happened to you? No. Oh, no!